Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. This die stock is rather old and beat up. Needs to have the screw fixed on it because the slot's hammered over. And it's very dirty, but this is an extremely durable die stock. And I have dies that fit it. Not many, but the ones that I do have that fit it didn't have a die stock, so now I have one. This cost $1 too. Take this tool and see if I can open up that screwdriver slot a little bit. There, that's got it cleaned up. Well, I can see I'm going to have to do some work on that one. There we go. I imagine when I had it clamped in the vise, I was putting side pressure on that die and putting a side load on the screw and locking the screw in. See if we can tap this out of there. Yep. The die is pretty crusty, but it's got some writing on it. Let's see if we can get that wire brushed off and get a look at it. Made by Card. Says 1/8 inch, 8. So that's a pipe thread. Kind of a handy little thing to have. And we'll get this cleaned up and take a look at that. Well, the reason that the die was stuck in there was it was locked in with pipe dope. This is kind of a nice die because it's called an adjustable die. You can use that little tapered screw there to open or close the diameter of the die, so it will make slightly undersized or slightly oversized threads. And there we go. Not a bad haul. I like this ultralight 336 dry film lubricant. Displaces moisture, prevents corrosion, resists oil and dirt buildup. For things like this, especially tools, it comes in very handy. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.